Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment, and also click on the bell notification in order for you not to miss out on any updates. Once I drop an update, instantly you will get the updates, and with that update, you can instantly make your trading decision. So, do not miss out on that update and click on the bell notification. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So, if you have been following this channel consistently, you see when I predicted that markets will definitely give you that bullish move till it comes to tap is our resistance. So if you have not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it. I think I did the analysis about last week or last week or so. So just go back to watch it and you could confirm that our prediction was right. We predicted that for the week we will definitely see that bullish move till it taps our resistance, and indeed that. So that is why I wanted to subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates next. Click on that bell notification to get the update instantly. Now for this week, what we'll be expecting for this week is a sell. That is what we will be expecting. Reason is that when you go to your forward time frame and you zoom it, you will see that we are ranging within this level. So when market drops to our support, we tend to see it come back to the resistance, then it will drop back to the support, come back to the resistance. Market will eventually drop to the support, then come back to the resistance. Market eventually drops to the support, and now it has come back to our resistance. So we are currently at the resistance level. So one thing you should be looking out for is a sell setup. So with what we are seeing right here, market is likely to give us one more push up. If market gives us one more push up, then we should be expecting that drop again. That is what we should be seeing. So it is likely to give us one more push up. If it gives us one more push up, another drop will likely be out. And if it does not give us that one more push up, unfortunately, we will start expecting that drop. So the sales setup has not yet played out. Let's wait till market opens. Once the sales setup plays out, I will give you guys the updates immediately. So do not miss out on that update. Subscribe now. Click on that bell notification in order to get the updates.